If you like really cool jewelry, look no further. Today, I am showing you guys my entire jewelry collection and explaining where I got everything from. Fair warning, this is extremely disorganized. I lack object permanence, so this is like
Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
Kicking off this Temu Jewelry Haul are these rings that I got. The first one is this gold regular band ring. I actually got this for my pinky. I got two of these, one silver, this one, and the gold one. Second is this leaf designed silver ring. I also got a second one for my other finger. I only got 4 of these, so I got these rings for everyday use. Tell me what you think about the rings in the comments, whether I can actually wear these things to go out. Next up are bracelets. We are now in the bracelets category, and this is this leafy charm bracelet. I got this in pink. I also got it in green. This is very delicate, very fragile. You can also wear this for any event, any occasion, and that's why I got it. I got it to match my pink outfit because pink is my favorite color, and I also got it in green because it's leaves, and I feel like leaves being green is pretty appropriate. This is the green leafy one. Tell me which one you prefer, the pink or the green. Tell me in the comments which one you prefer. Also, big ups to Temu for the quality of these things. They are what I expected and more, definitely. This is a two-toned crisscross branching leaf design. I got it because of the two-tone color. It seemed pretty unique to me, and I feel like this is going to be good for jewelry stacking with the other bracelets that I got. And I feel like because it's two-toned, it's going to fit most outfits perfectly. This is a ice patterned design tennis bracelet. I also got it with this blue patterned design bracelet because I envisioned that the stack would be amazing. Choka, what do you think?
It's nice.
Yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comment about the stacking. Tell me what you guys think about the design, how unique it is. I love it. Again, big ups to the quality, big ups to Temu. Love it, love it, love it. I am Roman Catholic and I love jeweled crosses. So I got this one customized and it has my name on it. You guys might not be able to see it from there, but I'm going to zoom in so that you can see my name. Now, this is what it says. It says my name and it's a silver cross. Love this for me. Tell me what you guys think about it in the comments. And I will have links to all these items in the comments if you are interested in, shopping for anyone. Consider using the links. They are affiliate links. It costs you nothing and I get a small percentage whenever you buy anything from them. So please consider supporting me. Next is just this regular chain. This is just this simple chain and I got this because I have like 4 to 5 pendants that need chains. I decided to get a generic chain for the pendants. I switch out the pendants anytime that I'm wearing it. So love this. The quality is top notch, 10 out of 10. I will keep saying that. Next is this personalized chain, another personalized chain, but this one is in gold. Now, because I felt like getting another cross would be a little bit stagnant, redundant, boring, I got just this regular license plate shaped one and it says my name on it, and this is in gold as well. This chain is actually a birthday present for my last born. His name is CK Short, so if you can see, I'm going to zoom this in. It says CK Short. I think they took out the S because it's not my style to have removed the S because I know him as CK Short. He's a professional photographer and videographer. He's the one that is currently filming me right now. And this is the chain I got for him. Out of all the neck pieces that I got, I am more satisfied with his and I'm happy he likes it as well. So love this for me. Tell me if you guys love the quality, if you can see the quality over the screen. Tell me what you think about everything I've got so far. What I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to stack all these jewels on me to see what they look like all together. Next bracelet is this funky design. It has a bow tie and I also got this for stacking. If you notice, the bracelets are really small so that I can wear them specifically or I can stack them up to give a funkified look. Tell me what you think of this as well in the comments. As you can see, I am all studded up. I wanted to see what nose studs would look on me because I plan on piercing my nose and the upper parts of my ears. So I decided to get magnetic ones first just to see what the look is giving. Tell me what you guys think of the look. As you can see, this is what everything looks like stacked up. The bracelets, the studs, the chains. I feel like a rapper right now. Last in this jewelry haul are bags that I will use in holding all the jewelry that I got, and these are Chinese pattern bags. Got one in my favorite color pink and got one in the fresh soothing color of green, emerald green. Tell me what you guys think of this entire haul. Love you guys. See you in my next one. Like, comment,